Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here once again, your very good trading friend. Friends, yes, I agree it was a little bit of late from my side to upload a video. I was a little bit busy with my personal work. You all know that it's very difficult parenting two kids at home, and now I'm experiencing full my childhood. I'm just revisiting my childhood, so that is why I was a little busy cherishing those moments. But today the topic which I want to discuss is very important, and let me tell you, I'm not very late. You might tell me, Prince, there are many videos online, they are talking about freak trades, how to handle freak trades and all those things. Don't worry, I won't touch upon all those things. I'm going to give you a very unique idea, and also you know that my videos are inclined towards the working professional. So as a working professional, what is that you can do? That is what I'll be explaining in today's video, and I recommend you to please stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates, and in case if you have still not subscribed to my channel, this is a channel especially for the working professionals, so don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button. And in case if you have not followed me on Instagram or on Twitter, you can just use the link which I provide in the description. You can join the link. I also provide my trades on Telegram, so you can follow my trades as well. Okay friends, so by saying this, let me just give you a hint, just a small background of freak trades. Many of you will be knowing by now. It is very clear, when you place a market order, there is no guarantee that your order gets executed between a particular level. It can get executed anytime, at any price. It's as simple as, you just take your dog outside, and if you have a chain with your dog, you can restrict the dog till how much over the dog can go. Yes, you agree? But in case if there is no chain and then you let loose free, the dog can run and go wherever it wants. If you want a better example, you have a maid at your house, or you have your servant at your house. You give them your credit card and tell them go buy 1 kg of tomato or something and come, and the party and the servant, the maid, can go and buy at any price, because you don't know what's the price, and you also given the full advantage of giving your credit card as well. So he can go and swipe at 200, 300, 400. In case if it's something else, he can even cheat you as well. Same thing in trading as well. When you give stop loss market order, anything can happen. There is no control over the price, but one thing is guaranteed, that your price will get executed. In the same way, so many you have already seen many telling that please do place stop loss limit order. That is one solution which everybody have found out and everybody are using it, that is stop loss limit order. But then, being a working professional, how do you always monitor? Because even stop loss order, if there is a jump or something, there's a spike or something, your order might not get triggered. So for that, there's a solution. I'll explain to you that in the end of the video. That is for the working professionals. Okay, now let me give you a different perspective, a different idea how to manage this freak orders. This is what something I started using from past 1 week to 2 weeks. I was experimenting myself. I was testing, and then I found it very reliable. That is why I am sharing it with you. So two suggestions I would like to give you is, one thing is, don't be like a group of sheeps. Everybody are like trading this 920 straddle, and then all are placing this stop loss limit order, all are placing this 30% stop loss order, all are doing the same thing. So I would say, don't be like a flock of group of animals or whatever it is. I don't know the exact word for that. Don't follow which everyone are doing. What I have done different now is a slight change. Instead of keeping stop loss limit order or stop loss market order for individual leg for the same straddle for non-directional trading, what I am doing is, I have modified it to combined stop losses. Now what is this combined stop loss? Okay, for combined stop loss, what you have to do is add both the premiums, that is the call leg premium and the put leg premium. And then say for example, call is 300 and put is 300. When you add both, you get 600. So for this 600, you have to keep a stop loss. So the stop loss can be 5% is average. Now don't go keep blindly 5%. You can keep what is your risk appetite. If you have a capital of 1 lakh, and if you don't want to lose more than 5,000 or 10,000, accordingly you reduce your percentage. So I am keeping presently 5%. So that means for 600, my stop loss is going to be 30 rupees. So when the combined price reaches 630, I will exit the loss making leg. This is what I am doing now. Most of them, 99% of them, when they do this 920 straddle, what they are doing is, they are just blindly entering the straddle, short straddle at 9:20 or 9:30 or 10 o'clock as per the video which I have uploaded. And then what they do is, they just keep individual stop loss leg, that is 30% or 40%. Okay, so this is a strategy which I explained to you, but now I am giving you a modification, a better idea. Keep combined stop losses, and it is working beautifully, especially in this volatile market. Especially this month, September, was very volatile for all the trend following traders, because market was going up, hitting a stop loss, again it was coming down, hitting a stop loss, both the leg stop losses are hitting, the accuracy was reducing, suddenly the strategy is not working. So for that, to avoid all these kind of solutions, situations, the best thing is combined stop loss. 300 plus 300, that is 600. If you got the combined premium, keep a 30% stop loss, it becomes 630. And when the combined prices reaches 630, exit the loss making leg. What happens is, most of the time, even when your individual leg hit, ideally which you are doing now, if your individual leg hits also, the combined stop loss might not hit. And in case if market is reversing, it will save us from lot of this false reversals. This will save us from spikes as well. Okay, because you are not keeping advanced stop loss market orders. There is no stop loss hunting as well. You are waiting for the combined stop loss to hit. So if one leg is continuously making losses, another leg will continuously keep making profit, and there will be matching of the premiums. And you might say worst case spikes and all those things might happen. Those kind of spikes happens very rarely. It happens once in a while and few particular levels only. So such times you can't do anything, but this will almost save you from at least 50% of the time. Okay, so just try this. If you want, you can just practice it for some time and then experiment it. I have been doing it from past 2 weeks and it is really working very beautiful for me. I don't have any fear of free trades now, because I am not keeping any advanced stop loss market orders. I am only looking into the combined stop losses. You will get that combined premium charts in many applications. Web applications are there. I use iCharts. I also use AmiBroker. They give the combined premium chart. So just look into the stop loss. When the stop loss hit, just exit the stop loss leg. Then what happens is, there won't be hundreds of people trading together at that particular time. It is not a fixed interval. It is your own idea, your own criteria. And I am not repeating this time 5% or 4%. You can decide your stop loss. 5% or 6% or 4%, decide your stop loss. Don't be in a group. Try to be away from the group. Try to be different from the group, and then you won't come into this kind of traps. Okay, so this is one of the major idea. Second thing is, for the working professionals, how is that you can manage this? And the only solution I would say is algo trading. Yes, now for friends, algo trading is not big rocket science. It's very simple. It's available almost everywhere. I started testing few people's, and then there are 2-3 vendors whom I already approached and have taken their software. And there's one software I'll just show you now, which I'm using. It is very nicely customized. It's in Excel format. But before going towards algo, let me tell you, there are a few charges. So if you're trading with 1 lakh, 2 lakh, it won't be useful for you. Minimum somebody who's trading above 5 lakhs, it's going to be very useful for you. Yes. So if you're trading above 5 lakhs, I would recommend you make use of this algo. I will just show you now how I use this algo. Okay, and there is charges as well. Generally, when you go make an algo, they charge you 20-30k and all those things. Since I already made this algo, it's available, and I'm not responsible for anything. I will just share you the coder's name. You can just get in touch with them, and you can say the same thing which I'm using. So might be the charges will be less. It will be hardly around 10-15k. That's all he might charge from you. So be ready of this thing. So you are in directly touch with the coder, not with me. Okay, if at all you want to make use of this, you can use this. But as a working professional, I would say this is going to be very helpful. And second thing which I would say you is, please install this algo into your not into your computer or your laptop. You can install into the cloud. Now Amazon is providing free clouds for 1 year. After that, charges is going to be hardly 1000 something or something like that. So you install this software directly into your cloud. Well, the reason why I am saying is many complain that I can't always on my laptop and I can't look into the codes and the trading terminal always and all those things. So if you install this algo into your cloud, you can operate it from your mobile itself wherever you want, and you don't need internet. There's no internet issue, nothing of that sort. You just have to log into your cloud and then just click the start button, and then it will automatically run in the background. You don't need any internet, you don't have to look into your mobile, you don't need any laptop as well. So I feel it's a very good solution for all the working professionals. I have taken it, I have subscribed it, I'm making use of it. In case if you want it, you can just get in touch with me and then collect the coder's name. I'll share you the coder's name, and then you can discuss with them. You can discuss your commercials as well and all those things, and purchase it from him, and then you can use my name. You can say you bought it from, it is referred by me, Prince, and then you can obviously get good discounts as well. Okay, so now let me just show you this algo, how I'm using it, and then you'll get a better idea of it. Yeah, so this is the algo sheet, or whatever you can say. It is made very beautifully. It is made in the form of an algo. made in the form of an Excel. You just have to put your API key, user ID and password. It's very readily available on Kite. And then you can either trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty. You just have to fill in these details. It's very simple, as easy as using an Excel. Very simple. There are I spoke to him and I enabled almost all the features which I explained to you and which I want to avoid this freak trades. So one among the things, as I told you, is combined stop loss. So in case you can keep a combined stop loss setting here. So once your combined stop loss, as I told you, 300 plus 300, 600. So entry is 600. If the levels reach 630 or something, then your stop loss gets hit and your loss making leg will get hit, and the profit making leg you can keep stop loss, or you can move it to entry, you can move it to the price which you entered, and all those things. All these facilities are available. Then you can see individual stop loss also, if you want, you can keep. And other thing which everyone are telling you now, that is nothing but the keeping the SLL. Yeah. So it asks you whether you want to keep SLM or SLL order. So you can keep SLL order, and once you keep SLL order, you can see that it asks for the buffer price. After the buffer price, it also does the rechecking as well. You can see here it checks 3 times if the order has got executed or not. After every 10 seconds, this is what the setting is kept. Everything is customizable. You can do all these customization. You can keep it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and all those things. So once you do all those things, you can just run this algo. It's very simple. What it does is, if you keep a stop loss limit order and you're working, and then what it does is, if the stop loss hits, it keeps a limit order. If it does not hit, it will check itself in 10 seconds. Again, if it is not hit, it will again execute. Again, if it does it 3 times like that. That is what the setting is kept at 3. So if you want, you make it 10 times for your safety. If you can do it 10 times, you're rechecking. So even if you're working busy anywhere, you don't have to worry. You can just use this algo and it will do everything. And also, second thing is hedging. In case if you want to make use of hedging, in case if a capital is small, and if you want to make use of hedging, you can use this facility. Hedging required, yes or no? Yeah. So entry of hedging, how far you want OTM points to be taken, how much premium you want to be taken, all those things are available in this algo. Okay friends, so this is the beauty of this algo. I was just wondering how technology has really helped us, and now working professionals should not have any excuse telling that I don't have time to monitor, I don't have time to look into my laptop, I don't have time to do trading and all those things. It's going to be very simple, very easy. You can just make use of this algo and trade yourself. Okay friends, so hope you like the video, hope this video was very useful, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button as well. Thank you and have a nice day.